Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. While not mandatory, we do recommend a ChatGPT Plus account subscription for trustees. This provides advanced features and fewer limitations than the free plan. To subscribe to Plus, click on your profile image in the top right corner. In the account menu, select Upgrade Plan. The Upgrade Plan screen will open. Choose Personal, then select Get Plus. Follow the on-screen steps to complete payment and click Subscribe. Once subscribed, your plan, in this case Plus, will display under the profile image. Now we'll customize ChatGPT for the Board of Trustees. Click the profile image again. This time, select Customize ChatGPT. A new window will appear with a series of setup questions. What should ChatGPT call you? If a single trustee has been nominated to manage the account, enter that trustee's name. Alternatively, leave it blank or use something generic. What do you do? Enter something like, "We are trustees for X estate." What traits should ChatGPT have? This controls the tone and style of the responses. Choose the options that suit your preference. Anything else ChatGPT should know about you? Keep this estate specific. Add relevant non-sensitive information like the names and portfolios of the current board members. Include any additional context that might help ChatGPT respond more accurately, such as estate-specific procedures that aren't part of the uploaded EstateIQ AI team documents. The EstateIQ administrator may provide additional wording for this section to help optimize performance. Space is limited, so keep your entry short and focused. Under Advanced Options, you can activate specific tools such as web search, code, Canvas, and advanced voice. Deactivate anything you don't need. We recommend keeping web search and Canvas turned on. Next, we'll update the trustee-specific account settings. Click the profile image again and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Personalization tab. Make sure Custom Instructions is switched on. Although not mandatory, enabling memory will improve the continuity of responses across sessions. Since the EstateIQ AI team doesn't have memory of its own, having this active in the primary GPT allows contexts to carry over between chats. Use Manage Memories to review or delete anything you no longer want the system to remember. For more information on these features, watch our YouTube video, How to Set Up ChatGPT Account Settings. With your customization complete and settings updated, you're all set to start working with the EstateIQ AI team.